Bullish Tezos cost expectation really is $1.65 to $2.90. Tezos cost could likewise reach $3 soon. Negative Tezos cost expectation for 2022 especially is $1.28. In Tezos cost forecast 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about Tezos to break down the future development of the digital money. Tezos current market status. The cost of Tezos is $1.42 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $37,579,616 at the hour of composing. Notwithstanding, Tezos has diminished by almost 6.2% as of now. Besides, Tezos generally has a coursing supply of 902,655,483 Tezos. Right now, Tezos exchanges digital currency trades genuinely. For example, Binance, Coinbase Trade, Huobi Worldwide, Kraken, and Bitham. What is Tezos? Tezos is the local digital currency of Tezos. Tezos is an open-source, shrewd agreement-based blockchain that works with the creation and advancement of in every practical sense. Savvy contracts and dApps. The blockchain is gotten by a change confirmation of stake called fluid evidence of stake, which especially is genuinely critical. Exchanges are added onto the blocks and approved by a gathering of validators called dough punchers and endorsers. Really, in spite of mainstream thinking, pastry specialists are the ones who stake XTZ tokens and make new blocks, while endorsers approve the blocks, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Clients can stake Tezos tokens to approve hinders and secure the blockchain. In spite of mainstream thinking, token holders get casting a ballot rights and take part in the organization's administration. Tezos value expectation 2022. The above graph of Tezos spread out a plummeting divert in an unobtrusive manner. Dropping channel is otherwise called the falling channel. A dropping channel is framed by two equal trend lines. The upper trend line, which joins the highs, and the lower trend line, which joins the lows, run parallelly downwards. This example fundamentally is normal for a negative market. As of now, Tezos is in the scope of $1.44 in the event that the example proceeds. The cost of Tezos could arrive at the opposition levels of $1.92, $2.82, and $4.12. If the pattern switches, then the cost of Tezos might tumble to $1.38. The diagrams show that Tezos explicitly has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. On the off chance that this pattern proceeds, Tezos could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its obstruction level at $2.90 as needs be. Assuming that the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of Tezos could dive to nearly $1.28, a negative sign. Tezos value forecast 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Tezos is displayed in the graph beneath, which is very huge. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. At present, the RVOL of Tezos lies underneath the end line, demonstrating powerless members in the latest thing. Likewise, the moving normal of Tezos is displayed in the outline above. Prominently, Tezos cost lies over 50 MAMA, so it is in an upturn in an unobtrusive way. At present, Tezos has entered a bullish state. In this way, there essentially is plausible of an inversion pattern of Tezos whenever. In the interim, the general strength record of the Tezos is 42.90. This really implies that Tezos is in an oversold state. In any case, this implies a significant value inversion of Tezos might happen in the forthcoming days. Thus, merchants need to painstakingly exchange. Tezos value expectation 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional list of Tezos. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to gauge the strength of cost development in the really certain and in every practical sense. Negative bearings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. The above graph addresses the ADX of Tezos. As of now, the ADX of Tezos lies in the scope of 18.004, and in this way, it shows a frail pattern. The above outline likewise addresses the general instability record of Tezos. RVI estimates the steady deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame. The RVI of Tezos lies under 50, demonstrating low unpredictability. As a matter of fact, the RSI of Tezos is at 42.90, consequently affirming a potential really sell genuinely signal. From the above outline, we can especially decipher that the value activity of XTZ is like BTC and ETH. This demonstrates that when the cost of BTC and ETH builds, the cost of XTZ increases. When the cost of BTC and ETH decreases, the cost of XTZ diminishes. Tezos cost expectation 2023. Assuming the declining cost activity totally generally dials back in force and the pattern turns around, Tezos could most likely accomplish $5 by 2023. Tezos Value Forecast 2024. With a few updates in the organization, Tezos could explicitly enter a bullish direction, which is very huge. Assuming the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, Tezos could revitalize to hit $7 by 2024. Tezos Value Forecast 2025. Or so they thought. If Tezos supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among financial backers for the following 3 years, Tezos would essentially energize to truly hit $9 incredibly. Tezos Value Expectation 2026, which is very huge. In the event that Tezos supports essentially significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among financial backers for the following 4 years, Tezos would mobilize to hit $11. Tezos Value Expectation 2027. On the off chance that Tezos supports significant opposition levels and proceeds to, in every practical sense, be perceived as a superior venture choice among financial backers for the following 5 years, Tezos would revitalize to hit $13. Tezos Value Forecast 2028 in an exceptionally significant way. If Tezos holds up areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the exceptionally unpredictable crypto market, by driving huge cost rallies, Tezos would hit $15 in 2028. Tezos Value Forecast 2029. On the off chance that financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on Tezos, it would observe significant spikes. Tezos could hit $17 by 2029, which is very critical. Tezos Value Expectation 2030. With more prominent headways in the Tezos ecosystem, the crypto local area could proceed to truly put resources into Tezos for the following 8 years and drive critical cost rallies for the token. Thus, Tezos could hit $19 by 2030 in a huge manner. And, with ceaseless enhancements in the Tezos organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for Tezos. Consequently, the bullish value expectation of Tezos in 2022 is $2.90. Then again, the negative value expectation of Tezos cost forecast for 2022 is $1.28. Moreover, with the progressions and moves up to the Tezos environment, the exhibition of Tezos would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $9.12 very soon. In any case, it could likewise reach $3 in the event that the financial backers accept that Tezos is a wise interest in 2022. 1. What is Tezos? Tezos is the local crypto badge of Tezos. Tezos is an open-source blockchain that works with the creation and improvement of pretty brilliant agreements and dApps. 2. In a significant manner. Where might you at any point buy Tezos, which is very critical? Tezos has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which especially incorporate Binance, Coinbase Trade, Huobi Worldwide, Kraken and Bitham 3. Will Tezos come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and redesigns inside the Tezos stage, XTZ generally has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon. 4. What generally is the ongoing all-time high of Tezos? On October 4, 2021, Tezos arrived at its new all-time high of $9.12. 5. Is Tezos an especially wise interest in 2020?